Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English story channel. Today, we have a very useful story about a girl named Sarah and her new roommate, Leo. This is a great way to learn vocabulary for the house, furniture, and rooms. Pay close attention to the names of things in the apartment. Are you ready? Let's listen to the story. This is Sarah. She lives in a small apartment in London. Her apartment has a kitchen, a living room, and 2 bedrooms. Sarah is happy because today she has a new roommate. His name is Leo. Leo arrives at 10 a.m. with 3 big suitcases. Welcome to the apartment, Leo. Sarah says. Thank you, Sarah. It is a very nice place, Leo answers. Sarah shows the apartment to Leo. This is the kitchen, Sarah says. There's a fridge, a stove, and a small table. Then they go to the living room. There's a blue sofa, a television, and many books on the shelf. I like this sofa, Leo says. Next, Sarah shows Leo his bedroom. It has a bed, a desk, and a big window. Leo puts his clothes in the closet. Leo looks at his room. He looks worried. What is the matter? Sarah asks. I have many books and a computer, but I don't have a chair for my desk, Leo says. Sarah smiles. Don't worry. There's an extra chair in the kitchen. You can use it. That is perfect. Thank you, says Leo. In the evening, Sarah and Leo are in the kitchen. They make dinner together. They eat pasta and talk about their jobs. Sarah is a teacher and Leo is a student. I think we will be great roommates, Sarah says. Leo agrees. It is the start of a new friendship in their little apartment. I hope you enjoyed the story of Sarah and Leo. Living with a roommate is a great way to practice English every day. Now, I have a question for you. How many rooms are in your home? Tell me in the comments below. Please like this video and subscribe for more stories. See you in the next lesson.